Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Paws Token. Total supply unveiled and the airdrop everyone's talking about. The crypto community is buzzing. $PAWS, the token that's quickly climbing the ranks, is about to make waves in a big way. With a jaw-dropping 100 billion tokens in total supply, $PAWS is here to take the spotlight, and the timing couldn't be better. Backed by the powerful SOL blockchain, this token is primed for an explosive launch. So, what's all the hype about? Let's dive in. $100 billion PAWS tokens. The countdown begins. Hold on tight, because $PAWS is officially hitting the market with a massive 100 billion tokens up for grabs. But this isn't just another meme coin, it's got SOL backing it, the blockchain known for its speed, scalability, and security. That's the foundation that gives $PAWS its edge to take on the meme coin world and potentially shake things up. Get ready for the ride of your life. Major exchange listings incoming. Is Binance next? $PAWS isn't wasting any time. It's set to land on top centralized exchanges, CXs, and the rumor mill is going wild with speculations of a possible Binance listing. While the exact listing date is still under wraps, all eyes are on the horizon, and many believe the launch will happen right after the much-anticipated token generation event, TG. You won't want to miss this. The $95,000 Paws Airdrop, your chance to get in early. Here's where it gets really exciting. To celebrate the upcoming TG, the Paws team is giving away a mind-blowing $95,000 worth of $PAWS tokens through an epic airdrop on Binance Launch Pool. That's right, $95,000 up for grabs, and the first 9,500 participants will each snag a share of the prize pool. It's your chance to get your hands on free $PAWS and be part of the next big thing in crypto. Wondering how to get in on this? The Paws Airdrop allocation checker just went live on February 22nd. Head over to see how much $PAWS you could win. Market predictions and the hype is real. The excitement is real, and speculation is running wild. A parody account of Pavel Durov on CoinMarketCap predicts that $10,000 PAWS could be worth anywhere between $72 to $74 after the token listing. While this is all in fun, one thing's for sure, the hype around $PAWS is growing by the minute, and investors are lining up to grab their share before the official listing hits.